Um, when we go to the next topic, income and other goals, we know that the development is a mix of goals. It is not the money alone. It cannot be called, or the material goals cannot be called it as development always. So see some example like people may be expecting goal other than the money like more income. Income is one factor, material maybe. Freedom, another one. Okay, it's a goal for the people. Freedom, equal treatment in the community or in the society or in our country, or security, good security, respect from others, and safe environment, etc. These all are the other goal of the people other than the material or the money. So, as we already said that the development in the sense is not a single goal or a material goal alone. It is a mix of different goals. Different people like different development goal. Say one example for the mix of development goal. Suppose if a person is going for attending an interview and if the authority says to him that they will be providing 25,000 rupees, take just an example, 25,000 rupees an exam, sorry, as a salary for him without any other benefit like accommodation or transport facilities, for any other facilities. Think of the other situation, like another person or the same person, if he is going for attending an interview in some other industries and the management says to him that the company can be provide only 20,000 rupees, and in addition to that he may be get another benefit like a good security, that is accommodation, good accommodation, food, transport facilities and all. So obviously we know that the person will be selecting the second company because he is getting so many other benefits. So it's our goal or the development goal is a mix of it. Not only salary, so many other benefit also should be expected. Okay. As next topic, we'll be seeing. We are going to see about national development. What is national development? Ability of a nation should be improve the life of its citizen. Why the nation is for? Nation, our country is for improving the life of the people, those who are in our country, correct? So country always will be try to provide better economic condition as well as the living condition for their people. So measuring of a country's improvement, it can be increased in GDP rate or social aspect like a literacy rate and availability of health facilities, etc. By looking at the literacy rate and looking at the number of health facilities in a country, we can say that country is developing, not only just looking at the GDP alone. Even the income growth, it's an indicator of national development. Poverty alleviation, how much amount of poverty we could remove per year, that is an indication of national development. And the satisfaction of the social and economic needs of the people is an indication. If the government could satisfy more number of people, those who are living in our country, we can say the nation is developing.